Hello WDS family, in this video tutorial I will guide you on how to create your Bitmoji virtual interactive Google Slides. First, please go ahead and go into our shared drive, then go ahead and click on EdTech Resources and Templates, and then lastly go ahead and click on Bitmoji Virtual Google Slides Template. I will also be providing the direct link for you in our email. Then go ahead and make a copy of the Bitmoji classroom. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click on the three little dots, and I'm going to make a copy. While that one's making a copy, I'm going to open up this one, and I'm going to open up this one. So let's see here. So now we have our copy here, and I'm going to rename it. So I can put Alvarado Bitmoji Virtual Classroom. And once I do that, I can go ahead and move it to my drive, because right now this drive everybody has access, and if you don't want it to be accidentally edited, you are more than welcome to move it into your drive. Okay, for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and open it. Now that the Google Slides has been loaded, I would like to show you that here are already backgrounds. Okay, so once you select one, you can go ahead and start copying and pasting what you like. So let's say here I'm going to press Control-C. I'm going to do a right click just to show you. Here, this is what I did. I pressed the Control and the C at the same time. And then I can go back into, let's say this is the one that you like. I can go back to that one, and then I can press Control-V, which is this, Control-V. And then I can go ahead and start setting up the classroom as you'd like. Now, if you want something a little bit quicker, there is one already ready. So maybe if you don't want to use that background and you want to go into your TVs. Now, this is kind of covering a little bit. The drawing tools is covering my view, but there is like, let me see if I can see it here. No, it's still covering it. But at the bottom, there's like a little grid where you can see all the slides at the same time instead of scrolling down, and you guys can do that as well for an easier view. But let's say that you wanted to use this one, or this one better yet, because it's to the front. Again, Control-C, and then you can go back to that one, and then just do a Control-V, and then put it there. So maybe if you want to make some minor changes to this one, that is a little bit faster for you. But you are welcome to start with, like I said, this one, and then just kind of copy and paste the items that you like. Okay, so let's say you're done. Okay, again, for the sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and press Control and click at the same time. Okay, there we go. I have selected all of them. Now I'm just going to press Delete. And I'm left with mine, and I can delete this one too. These were just instructions. And so I want to add my Bitmoji. So to add my Bitmoji, I have added it here on my extension. So how did I do that? I went into the Chrome Web Store right here, and then I typed Bitmoji, and then I went ahead and added it to Chrome. Now here it's to be able to use it on your like Google Slides on your website. But to create it, you install the app on your phone, and that's where you actually build your avatar. Okay, so this one's already ready for me to use. So all I really have to do is just click on it. If I want to see standing positions of myself, I can go ahead and type pose, and I'll be able to see posing positions, like my whole body. So once I find one that I like, I can right click, copy image, and then I'll go here to my Google Slides, and then I'll right click, paste, or Control-V, and then I can move it wherever I'd like. I opened these other ones just to show you that there are more available like templates, like let's say you wanted to use this background or this background, you could just do a Control-C, which is the copy, okay? And I can go over here and I can do a Control-V or edit paste. At this point, it's okay. I don't really have a theme. I don't have any theme imported, so it's okay if I match them. So if I wanted to use that, then again, I could just delete whatever I didn't want, just to kind of show you that's how that would work. In case you wanted to use something from the other slides, or maybe an accessory from the other slides. Same concept. You would just click on it, Control-C, and then you would go back into yours, and then Control-V. And then you could just start resizing to where you wanted it. Okay, so let's pretend that this is a book that you added, or something like something related to your class that you wanted to hyperlink. You would click on it and then you would go into the insert link. Right here, we're gonna go to share, copy the link, and then you would just be able to add it. And that can work the same way for anything else, like let's say this one, or here you add pictures. You can also hyperlink those individual pictures or the whole TV. Here, let's say I'm adding the Clint ISD District Technology Coordinator's website, and then I can copy the URL and I can paste it right here as well. So it could be any website that you like. Okay, once you make it interactive, once you add the hyperlinks that you would like, then you can go ahead and go to File, Publish to the Web, and you can go ahead and click on Embed. Then from here, you can go ahead and click Start the slideshow as soon as the player loads, and then go ahead and click Publish. When you click Publish, you're going to get this code, okay? So as it tells you here, just go ahead and press Control-C. Okay, so I am now in my teacher website, okay? And what I'm going to do, since I'm already there, I'm going to go into the little pencil. That's how you add it. There's different ways around it, but if you already have it, like me, I went ahead and just bookmarked it. It knows that I'm the owner, so it shows me the pencil. I'll show you another way just in case you don't have it bookmarked, okay? Don't worry. So let's say I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to go ahead and click Embed. Then I'm going to click Embed Code, and I'm going to press the Control-V or Paste. Then I'm going to go ahead and click Next, and then Insert. And then from here, you can go ahead and adjust it to the size that you would like. Then once you're done resizing it to a view that you would like, please go ahead and click Publish. Go ahead and click Publish. Okay, so I'm gonna go back from there. And here in your website, so if I go here to View Published Website, this is what everybody can see that's not in editing mode. Right now I had it in editing mode. So here I have them, see, I have them hyperlinked to where I want those hyperlinks to go to. Like see here, I added this one for Nearpod and it's going to the Nearpod website. So you can get very creative with those hyperlinks. Now let me show you one last thing before I end this video tutorial. Is another way to go into your website. So what I did is when I had my website, let me show you real quick. What I did is I just grabbed it here and then I just dragged it. That way I have it right here in my bookmarks, you know? Let's add it. I'm going to delete it because I already have it there. But another way you can access your website is right here on your Google. You can go into your grid and then go to sites. You can also just type new Google site on your Omnibox, okay? So once you go there, you're going to see your website, and then you can go ahead and double click on it and start editing your website. And that is all. I hope this video tutorial has helped you. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.